Motorola Edge 70, a new era of slim power and premium design in 2025. Hi guys, welcome to my technological world, your own YouTube tech channel. If you new here, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Today we discuss new upcoming smartphone Motorola Edge 70. Let's have a look. Motorola continues to redefine innovation with the launch of its highly anticipated Motorola Edge 70. A smartphone that brings together refined design, next-level performance, and durability in one sleek package. Expected to be officially released in November 2025, this phone aims to bridge the gap between flagship luxury and mid-range affordability. The first impression of the Edge 70 is simply breathtaking. With an ultra-thin profile measuring under 6 mm, the device looks futuristic yet practical. The curved 6.67-inch OLED display wraps beautifully around the edges, offering 1.5K resolution, a 1220 x 2712 pixels, and a buttery smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. It's built for those who crave immersive visuals, whether gaming, streaming, or simply browsing. Under the hood, the Motorola Edge 70 runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset, built on the advanced 4nm process, ensuring blazing fast speed and excellent energy efficiency. It's paired with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage. The rear camera setup includes a 50-megapixel primary sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, for crystal-clear shots even in motion, complemented by an ultra-wide 13-megapixel lens that captures landscapes with remarkable detail. On the front, the 50-megapixel selfie camera produces natural, high-resolution portraits, setting a new bar for front-facing photography in the mid-premium range. The battery department is equally strong, featuring a 4,800 mAh unit backed by 68-watt turbo power fast charging. You can go from 0% to 80% in under 30 minutes, a major win for users always on the go. The Edge 70 boasts an IP68, IP69 rating, ensuring resistance against dust, splashes, and even short submersion in water. In terms of software, the Edge 70 runs on the latest Android 16, delivering a clean, near-stock Android experience. Motorola's smooth interface, combined with new AI-powered features, makes it efficient and modern without unnecessary bloatware. So guys, this is the fresh news about new upcoming Motorola Edge 70. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon, so you will receive our upcoming videos.